Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create this nice video animation. First, I set up the perfect dimensions. I switch the background to a bright yellow. Love it. Next, I add my text and drop in the video content I've been waiting to use. I adjust the font colors and sizes to match my style. Now I duplicate the first page and replace the words in the center. Perfect. I repeat the process for the other pages. Time to add text animations. I like doing it this way, but you can also add animations before duplicating. It's totally up to you. After that, I duplicate more pages for smooth transitions. I adjust the page timing and add the final page. For the finishing touch, I add a beat-sensed soundtrack. Animating the last page makes it pop even more. If you want to grab this template, the link's in video description. And here it is, the final result. Don't forget to follow for more creative videos like this.